Welcome to all of you in Sankalpa Education Pratham classes. I am Sachin Patel, delivered lecture series on mathematical logic. Right now we are going with the logical equivalence. We know about the statement pattern. Statement pattern is nothing but it is a combination of connectives, logical connectives and statement letters, and by using this we will get the statement pattern, and from statement pattern we are going with the truth table. Truth table you will get the TF related to that one, and right now we are going with the logical equivalence. When we will get the logical equivalence is there, two statement patterns are said to be logically equivalent if their truth tables are identical. Later to consider A and B are two statement patterns. Then if they are logically equivalent, then it is written as A equivalent B. We have to read it as A equivalent B. That means statement A and B both are equivalent with each other. Those two statement patterns are said to be logically equivalent if the truth tables are identical. Truth tables of these two are identical. What does it mean? When we have to get the statement pattern, from that statement pattern we create a logical truth table, and a truth table having the last column. If both statement pattern having the same last column, then those statement patterns are said to be logically equivalent with each other. Right now we are going with one example related to. Now we are going with this example. P double implication Q is equivalent to, or we have to prove by using a truth table. These statement patterns are equal. That means this is one statement pattern and this is a second statement pattern. Let us consider, let A statement pattern is equal to P double implication Q is here, and from this we can find out the truth table related to that one. Here two statements are there and one logical connective is there. Once again I want to repeat that consideration related to that truth table, how to find out the truth table. First of all, how many statements are there? That means n be the number of statements. Number of statement is a 2 and logical connective is a m. M is a logical connective is a 1, and therefore truth table having the number of rows is a 2 raised to n, that means 2 raised to 2, that means 4, and the number of columns is equal to m plus n, that means 1 plus 2, it is equal to 3, and therefore the truth table of P double implication Q having 3 columns and 4 rows are there. Right now we have to find out the 3 columns, and here we have to get the consideration of 3 columns and 4 rows are there. First of all, we have to get the consideration of P, then Q, and then P double implication Q. P double implication Q is there. Right now we have to get the consideration. When 4 rows are there, then first of all, first statement taken as T 2 times and F 2 times, then alternately T F TF is there. And we know that double implication having the rule is nothing but what? If both statement having the same truth value, then it is a true, otherwise false. That means truth value are same, then it is a true. Truth values are same, then it is a true, otherwise false. That means it is a false for these two considerations. That means F is here. And this is your last column related to that. P implies P double implication Q. Similarly, we can find out the truth table for second consideration of statement pattern. That means let B be the another statement pattern. That means P and Q, or negation P and negation Q is there. And here N is equal to, N is nothing but two statements are there, and therefore number of rows is equal to 2 raised to n. That means 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 2, that is 4 is here. And m is equal to, we have to find out the m is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5 connectives are used, and therefore number of columns is equal to m plus n. That means 5 plus 2, it is equal to 7. That means the statement pattern B having 4 rows and 7 columns are there. First of all, we have to find out the considerations related to that one. 7 columns. First column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth, sixth, and the last one is nothing but our consideration of that B is there. And we have to get the number of rows are there. That means 4 rows, and you will get the consideration of P, Q. If having any statement having the negation is there, then you have to calculate the negation of P is there, negation of Q is there, then P and Q, combination of this one, then negation of P and negation Q is here, negation of P and negation Q is here, and you will get the lastly B. That means that is nothing but P and Q, or negation P and negation Q is here. Right now we have to going with the consideration of these, and you have to get the consideration of true, false, false is here, true, false, true, false. We want a negation of a P. Negation having the rule is nothing but what? The negation having the rule is, if statement is a true, then negation of that statement is a false. That means it is a false. Here is a true, that means it is a false. Here is a false, then it is a true. False is here, then it is a true. Similarly, you can find out the negation of Q is here. Negation of Q is true. Here you will get the false, false. Here you will get the true, true. Then you will get the false is here, and false. Then it is a true is here. According to and, if both statement in that conjunction, both statements are having a truth value true, then it is a true, otherwise false. This is the rule of conjunction. According to that rule, negation, first statement is a true, second statement is a true, then it is a true, otherwise false. That means you will get the true, false, then it is a false, false, true, then it is a false, 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 then it is a false is here. Negation of P and negation of Q. Here, once first statement is a negation of P, that means this column, and negation of Q, that means this column, and both having once again a conjunction. And you know that the rule of conjunction is nothing but what? The conjunction of two statement, when both statement are true, then it is a true, otherwise false. Here first statement is false, second statement is a false, then it is a false, false, true, it is a false is here, true, false, then it is a false is here, true, true, then it is a true is here. That means both statement having the same truth value, or it is a true value, then you will get the conjunction is a true. Right now in last column we have to going with a or, that means disjunction, and disjunction having both statement are false then false, otherwise true. Both statement are false then false, and here it is a combination of this column, It is a combination of P and Q, and a negation of P and negation Q is here. That means this is a one statement and this is a second statement is there. And according to that consideration, these two columns are considered for disjunction is here. And according to that disjunction, true, false, then it is a true is here. False, false, then it is a false. False, false, then it is a false. False, true, it is a true. Because we know that the disjunction having the rule what? If both statements are false, then it is a false. Both statements are false, then it is a false, or otherwise true. And therefore, you will get the last column in that one. That means statement B column is nothing but this one. And right now we are darken the last column or shaded the last column as it is, and here it is a last column related to that one. Both the columns having the same truth values. That means here is a T, then it is a T. Here is F, then it is a F. Here is a F, here also F. We see here T, T, F, 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 T, T. That means both columns are identical in both statement, and therefore we can say that A is equivalent with B. That means P double implication Q is equivalent. P double implication Q is equivalent. P and Q are negation of P and negation Q is here, and therefore these two statement patterns are equivalent with each other. And this is a consideration of logical equivalence. Logical equivalence is nothing but what? If two statement patterns are there and having a truth values are identical or truth tables are identical, that means you will get the truth table related to that one having these values and these values are same. These values are same, then those statement patterns are equivalent with, logically equivalent with each other. It is a concept of logical equivalence. If you like that video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get the next notification related to lecture series of mathematical logic. Thank you.